Millions take Montelukast, but few truly understand its hidden mental health risks. If you or a loved one relies on this common medication for asthma or allergy relief, staying informed is vital. Today, we're uncovering what Montelukast treats, but more importantly, we're diving deep into three crucial side effects you absolutely need to know about. Montelukast, often known by the brand name Singular, works by blocking certain chemicals in your body called leukotrienes, which cause inflammation and tighten airways in asthma, and trigger allergy symptoms. It effectively prevents asthma attacks, reduces exercise-induced asthma, and eases chronic allergies like hay fever. However, this medication isn't without its challenges. The first key risk involves mood changes. Some patients report feeling anxious, agitated, or even depressed, with some studies highlighting a link between the drug and neuropsychiatric events. The second concern revolves around sleep disturbances, including vivid nightmares, insomnia, or even sleepwalking. Lastly, and most seriously, there are rare but significant reports of aggressive behavior and even suicidal thoughts. The FDA has issued strong warnings, emphasizing the importance of discussing any new or worsening mental health symptoms with your doctor immediately. While effective for many, it's crucial to weigh its benefits against these potential serious side effects. Understanding these risks allows you to make informed decisions and stay safe. If you're taking Montelukast, watch our next video on managing its side effects.